listen carefully. You've been lied to. The world wants you weak. It's no accident you feel tired, burned out, and drained. It's no accident you wake up, look in the mirror, and barely recognize the man you once dreamed of becoming. The matrix you live in, a system of comfort, distractions, and empty promises, has been feeding you lies for years. They tell you mediocrity is normal, that you don't have to prove anything, that scrolling endlessly, chasing quick hits of pleasure is enough. You know what? They lied. The duller and calmer you are, the easier you are to control. A weak man doesn't ask questions. A weak man doesn't challenge the system. A weak man is safe for the machine. You know the feeling. The alarm goes off a third time and you're still in bed. At work, you're punching out the same boring reports, each hour dragging like forever. You come home, turn on a show, scroll through TikTok, promising yourself tomorrow you'll finally change. But tomorrow never comes. Your relationships grow shallow because you no longer have the energy or passion to invest in people. At night, you lie there, staring at the ceiling, asking yourself, is this really all there is to life? It doesn't have to be this way. Escaping the matrix doesn't mean a grand revolution. You don't have to quit your job overnight, burn bridges, or scream with a sign on the street. It starts with small, deliberate shifts, one conscious decision to stop feeding yourself excuses. One specific step, small, maybe insignificant at first, that triggers a chain reaction. Over time, those small moves will transform your mindset, your energy, and your life. Today, I'll show you 4 toxic habits that quietly drain your strength every single day. They're not dramatic events. They're subtle poisons that slowly erode you. Once you see them, you won't be able to unsee them. And if you choose to cut them out of your life, you'll start reclaiming the power the system tried to steal from you. If you're done being a pawn in someone else's game, if you're ready to get off the couch and take control, stick with me. Because once you understand these habits, there's no going back. Number 1, letting others dictate your opinion. You know this feeling, right? Nowadays, more and more men let others make decisions for them. At work, someone tells you what to do and you nod along instead of taking charge yourself. At home or in relationships, you let other people's opinions dictate your choices and emotions. Even with friends, you agree, even though deep down you know it's not what you truly want. This habit seems harmless, but in reality it steals your masculinity, your agency, and your sense of self-worth. When you let others dictate your opinion, you become a shadow of yourself. Your thoughts and decisions lose their significance. You start living someone else's life, a life that doesn't bring you satisfaction, energy, or a sense of control. Today, this is happening on a massive scale. Men feel pressured to be nice, not to upset anyone, to conform to the crowd's opinion. The result? More and more men live in stagnation. They don't take risks, they don't fight for themselves, and slowly they fade away in the daily grind of a world that doesn't favor the weak. But the truth is brutal. No one is going to come and hand your power back to you. No one is going to give you your agency on a silver platter. You have to take it yourself. You have to decide that other people's opinions will no longer control you. Start with a small step. Say no in your mind to what others try to impose on you. Realize that your life is yours and no one has the right to run your decisions. If you start looking at yourself this way, even just a little, you'll slowly regain your energy, confidence, and sense of control. This is the first small step toward becoming a man who lives by his own rules, not someone else's expectations. Number 2, being lazy and unproductive. Think about men from the World War II era. A man would wake at dawn, not knowing if he would make it home alive. He fought, worked, and sacrificed everything because he had no choice. Life demanded action, demanded determination, demanded courage. And nowadays, many men no longer feel that fire. They don't know what it truly means to fight for themselves. They live in a false comfort, a phone screen, a couch, fast food, all served on a silver platter. And they think life will just hand them something, that suddenly they'll lose weight, that beautiful women will magically be interested in them, that money will fall from the sky. It doesn't work that way. Laziness and lack of productivity are poison. Every day spent passively waiting drains your energy, your sense of agency, and your masculinity. The more you avoid taking action, the less control you have over your own life. And the world doesn't wait. The world gives nothing for free. Every success, every change, every ounce of confidence comes from action. Those who rise, who do, who fight, gain the advantage. Those who sit and dream lose everything before they even get a chance to try. Modern comfort has become a trap. Streaming, social media, delivery food, instant gratification, all of it lets you fool yourself into thinking you're busy, that you're doing something. But in reality, you're standing still. Your potential is wasting away and life is slipping through your fingers. But there is a way out. Start with one concrete step today. Small but intentional action. Do something that moves you closer to your goal, no matter how reluctant you feel. Every small effort triggers a chain reaction. Your fire will start to awaken. Your energy will return. Your masculinity and sense of agency will begin reclaiming the ground you allowed comfort and laziness to take. Number 3. Giving up after the first failure. You know that feeling? One rejection from women, a rough day at work, an extra kilogram on the scale, a single mistake in training, and a man immediately thinks, I can't do this, this isn't for me, I'm too weak. Nowadays, men give up faster than ever. No patience, no perseverance, no fire, one setback and they fall before they even truly try to fight. But look at people who proved that real strength is born from facing adversity. Aaron Golub, blind from birth, dreamed of playing college football. People told him it was impossible. He heard it every single day, yet he didn't give up. He trained, he worked, he fought for every inch on the field. And he became the first blind player in college football history. Or Anthony Robles, a man born with only one leg. Most would have said, that's the end of your sports dreams. But he didn't see obstacles. He fought on the mat, trained with everything he had, dismissing every doubt. He went on to win the NCAA wrestling championship, proving that determination can break through any limitation life throws at you. If they could do it, so can you. If they were able to rise after 1,000 obstacles and transform their lives, will you really let a single failure break you? Remember, failure is not the end. Failure is a test, a measure of your character. Every step forward, no matter how small, is another brick in building your strength, confidence, and masculinity. Number 4, watching pornography. Pornography is the greatest drug of the 21st century. How can you be strong, confident, and a real man when at night you're jerking off to naked girls on a screen? Think it's harmless? Just a little bit of fun? Around 75% of men watch pornography regularly, and roughly 1 in 8 struggles massively to control their consumption. This isn't a statistic you can ignore. This is a real addiction that drains your energy, kills your masculinity, and destroys your sense of self-worth. Pornography destroys everything that makes you a real man. Eye contact with a girl you like. Impossible. Mornings feel like you haven't slept a minute. Evenings are filled with emptiness and frustration. During the day, you have no energy for anything. You function like a robot, without purpose, without emotion, without agency. All of this, your apathy, lack of confidence, struggles in relationships, and low energy, is pornography's doing. But there's also an opportunity here. If so many men are enslaved by it, then if you manage to break free, you'll become unstoppable. Your energy will explode, your confidence will return, and the results will show in every area of life. At work, in your relationships, in your body, in your mind. You'll leave behind 95% of men who still let pornography steal their lives. Most men today live within the limits they impose on themselves. You don't have to be one of them. Every day you passively allow something to hold you back is a day wasted. Imagine yourself a year, 2 years from now, stronger, confident, full of energy, taking control of your life. You wake up in the morning with a clear purpose, act intentionally, and every step brings you closer to the man you truly want to be. Don't wait for motivation. Don't seek approval from others. Start with a decision. One decision today, one step that pulls you out of mediocrity, laziness, addictions, and failures. One step that builds your strength. This is the moment you become the man others admire. The moment you reclaim your energy, your confidence, and your control over life. The moment you stop being a victim of your own choices and start writing your own story. If you want to be someone exceptional, if you want to get off the couch and finally take charge of your life, start acting now. Not tomorrow, not in an hour. Now. Because life doesn't wait. And if you want a practical step-by-step guide to help you regain your energy, motivation, and joy in life, check out my ebook. Inside you'll find proven strategies based on sleep, nutrition, and recovery, simple exercises and reflective questions that really work, and stories showing that change is possible. This isn't another book full of empty promises. It's a practical guide for men who want to feel stronger, calmer, and full of energy.